Okay, so we're back for examples 4 and 5. For the following triangle, find the 3 primary trig ratios for A. So you have to slow down and think. There's angle A. They want the 3 primary trig ratios. So that's going to be sine of A, and that's going to equal opposite over hypotenuse. So that's 12 over 15. They're going to want all 3 primary trig ratios. That's only one of them. Here's the other ones. Cos of A is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse. And finally, tangent of A is going to be opposite over hypotenuse. Now there's nothing wrong with these answers. The only problem is they're not in lowest terms. We can reduce them. If we think about 12 and if we think about 15, you're going to remember that a 3 can be divided into 12 and give us a 4, and a 3 can be divided into 15 and give us a 5. So in fact, the lowest terms would be sine of A equals 4 over 5. Doing the same thing here, cos of A will be 3 over 5. So I reduce the 9 and the 15. And finally, tangent of A is equal to, I've done something wrong because I can't have 12 over 15 twice. So sine was opposite over hypotenuse, cosine was adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent must be opposite over adjacent. So this is a mistake. That should be a 9 here. Okay, good thing I caught that. So that's 12 over 9, which is going to be 4 over 3. Okay, so once again, let's make sure. Opposite over hypotenuse, good. Adjacent over hypotenuse, good. Opposite over adjacent, better. Okay, number 4. I'm not sure if things are a little bit blurry, so I'm going to hit the focus button and see if things work out a little bit better for us. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Find the length of A to 1 decimal place. So here's vertex A, and they've labeled this side little a. So they've done it correctly. Good. This is the angle that they're giving us, which is 60. So I want to know A. I'm given 60, and this 24 is the hypotenuse. So the question that you have to answer is, which trig ratio should I use? Well, given this reference angle, this is the adjacent. That's the hypotenuse. That is opposite, and I don't know it, and to be honest with you, nobody's asked for it, so I don't care about it really. If I can get A without getting C, that'd be great. So what uses hypotenuse and adjacent? Well, like I said, you need to memorize your stuff, but that's cosine. Cosine of any angle is equal to adjacent side over the hypotenuse side. So, in this particular case, cos of 60 will be A, the adjacent side, over 24. Cross multiplying, we get 24 times cos of 60 equals A. So, 60 cosine is 0.5, so that's 0.5 times 24. We get A equals 12. And do we have any units? We do not. So if we really want to be smart, we'll just say, well, it's 12 units long. Whatever those units are, it's 12 of them. Okay, guys, I'm going to stop there and come back and do the next page.